Hey y'all, what's up? It's Derrica and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So by the title, as you guys can tell, today your girl has a lock update for y'all. This is gonna be lock update for week 2 and week 3, and today made 3 weeks. So let's get right into the video. Now before we get into the video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss the upload from your girl. Okay, so let's jump right into this thing, okay? Because your girl has a lot to update with y'all. Like, so many things has happened throughout these 3 weeks, and I'm just ready to share with y'all. Okay, so we're gonna go over what happened in week 2. So for it's week 2, like y'all, that Monday, my scalp, she wasn't having it. Like the itching, the flaking had to go. And so that Monday, which was like the Thursday before my 2 weeks, I went ahead and washed my hair because I couldn't take it, y'all. Like I was literally like scratching, like ants were all over my scalp, and I just had to do a quick wash. Like I just couldn't take it. Like I couldn't, no debate about that. Like I had to go ahead and wash my hair. Like I know that they said when you do start off your lock journey that you should wait for 4 weeks, but your girl, I just couldn't, y'all. Like if y'all know me and y'all been subscribed to my channel before I decided to lock my hair, y'all already know I have dry, itchy scalp, and she just wasn't happy. Like she wasn't having it, so I had to go ahead and wash. And when I tell you, y'all, that water felt so good, like on my scalp. I could have just stayed in the shower and just like that water just hit my scalp and nothing else, because that's how good that water felt just on my scalp. Like it was amazing. So anyway, so what I did was I did shampoo twice. I did not condition, but when I did get out, I did follow up with an oil to moisturize my scalp and my strands. And guess what else? Your girl did her first retwist after, and y'all, like that was my first time ever doing my own hair like that, and I did a good job. Y'all, flakes was everywhere, okay? It was so flaky. Also after I washed it, it was a little frizzy, which I didn't mind it at all. As a matter of fact, I was waiting for the frizz, like frizz come on. So after I washed it, I did just do my first retwist with oil only, and that's it. I did my clips, I did let it, I did use my blow dryer to go over the perimeter of my hair. After I went to bed, I woke up the next morning and your girl was fresh. Like y'all, my twists, like the locks, they look amazing, and I really fell in love with my hair after I saw my first retwist, which lasted surprisingly for, let me see, about 4 to 5 days, and then the itch came back. The itch was back in session. Like I just literally cannot take the itching. So I did pretty good, and I was happy that my retwist did last a week. So that's what happened during week 2. All I did was continue to spritz my hair with the rose water and oil my scalp every day for week 2. And I really didn't notice much of a difference till a few days after, which that's when the frizz started to come. Like as you guys can see, I have a lot of frizz, and I like it. Like I do like it. My hair looks good as of right now. My scalp is very itchy. It's still itchy. I've been doing peppermint and tea tree oil with a carrier oil on my scalp, and with the rose water, it seemed to help momentarily. But I don't know, for some reason, when you put that scarf on your hair and then you wake up the next morning, it's like the scalp is really on fire. Like it itch so bad. So that's what I have been doing throughout the night. Now, some more exciting news. I have noticed that I had some budding. I do have some budding, which I'm so excited. It's kind of in the bag. I would try to show y'all on camera if I can, but there is some budding in a few parts of my hair, and I'm so happy. Like I'm so excited about the budding. Also, some unraveling has happened. The unraveling did not happen when I first washed my hair, but it has started to happen, like on 2 twists at the back and 1 that's kind of in the middle, which is okay. But yeah, so the unraveling has started, the budding has started. I'm so excited. Now, as far as my next wash day, I feel like I want to wait for 3 weeks, which today makes a week and a few days since I washed my hair last, but I want to wait until like the fifth week of my hair to go ahead and give it a good wash and do a retwist, which I plan on filming a retwist for y'all. But y'all, that's basically it. Like, I really have been enjoying the carefree of it all, of my hair, and I'm just really feeling the frizz. I feel like my hair is gonna look so gorgeous once it starts to, you know, transition and go through all the different stages of the locking processes, because they have so many different stages. Right now I'm in the beginning stages, and I know that my hair is going to look like twists for a while, which I'm here for it. I'm ready to embrace like every moment and just enjoy it and take it in. Also, as far as my dry itchy scalp, up on my research, I found out that my hair is doing something that it has never done before. It is going without me actually like washing it, because y'all already know my scalp, she bougie. I wash her once a week, but since this locking process, I can't. So it's gonna take some adjusting about the washing situation, but I feel like I can handle it. We have 3 weeks, and I have so many weeks. I'm on my 3rd week, and I'm already excited already for my journey. I think that's all I wanted to share with y'all. So the frizz started, a little unraveling, and the budding, which I'm so excited. So now for the next part of this video, I'm going to give y'all some up close and personal looks. Like my scalp, there is some flaking, like hella flaking, especially when I first take off my scarf. Like the scalp is white, but once I put the oil and water in, it calms down. So I'm gonna give y'all a 360 and show y'all like how my scalp looks up close and personal. I'm gonna try to show y'all the budding aspect. Like I was saying, I'm gonna try to show y'all like a up close and personal look at my hair and show y'all the changes. But I'm feeling the frizz. I'm loving my puffy roots. I don't want it to look so neat and uniform. I just want to embrace like whatever my hair is trying to do. Okay, so as you guys can see, the flakes, honey, the flakes. And all of that, as far as the budding, okay, so here's the one I feel like is budding, like right there, and this is the one that is unraveling a little bit. So unraveling at the root a little bit in 3 twists, but all I do is twirl it around my finger. I'm not gonna really too focus on if they're gonna come loose. I just wanted to embrace and enjoy every second of it, meaning the flakes, the frizz, the itch, whatever, because I'm super excited for this journey. So I feel a few budding in other spots as I'm playing around in my head to show y'all the up close and personal. And also I wanted to tell y'all that I did combine about 6 of my locks together because they were too small. So I then went ahead and unraveled them and combined 2 of them together. So also, I feel like there's some webbing. Like my roots are starting to come together. Like some of the twists are starting to kind of the scalp. Like the roots of my twists are starting to come together a little bit. So I feel like there's some webbing as well. Oh, one more thing. And also, as far as my edges, I just been leaving them alone. I have not been putting any gel, any edge control, or anything on my edges. I just been letting them do their own thing, and they look good. My edges look really good without any gel or any edge control. I'm really, really embracing this carefree journey of my hair. Like, I don't feel ashamed. And yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And turn on your post notifications so you do not miss an upload from your girl. All right, I will catch you on my next one. Bye. So I hope y'all staying safe out there and, you know, taking precautions that is needed.